Kazakhstan is the largest landlocked country in the world, located on 2 continents, and its area is equal to Western Europe. Since 1999, compulsory 1-year preschool education called Zero Grade was introduced. Free secondary education is guaranteed by the Constitution in 13 countries of the world, including Kazakhstan. Every 5th school was built during the years of independence. The expected duration of study is 15 years, which is at the level of countries with high Human Development Index. Every student in Kazakhstan has a guaranteed right to receive higher education on a competitive basis. This practice exists in 24 countries of the world. The state provides teachers with free professional development courses. The National Educational Database functions since 2013. Participation in international assessments such as TIMSS, PEARLS, PISA, ICELS, and TALIS is stated in the state program for the development of education and science. According to the results of the TIMSS 2015, Kazakhstan is in top 10 performers among 8th graders. Since 2016, the country has started phased transition to the new content and 12-year school education. As part of the transition, the emphasis is on functional literacy and STEM education. Since 2017, some schools have switched to trilingual education in the pilot mode. Math and science subjects are taught in English. In November 2017, through active cooperation with the OECD, Kazakhstan was honored the participant status in 2 committees of the OECD, Education and Policy Committee and Committee for Scientific and Technological Policy. In 2017, Global Competitiveness Index of the World Economic Forum, Kazakhstan was ranked 4th on primary education enrollment rate. For the past 10 years, according to the UNESCO, Kazakhstan is in top 8 countries in the world with high education development index.